The photo you are looking at right now is actually captured using Redmi K30 Pro Zoom Edition variant. Yes, there will be a Zoom Edition Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'll be showing you some of camera samples of upcoming Redmi K30 Pro and K30 Pro Zoom Edition, as well as some more internal hardware specs. So Redmi K30 Pro is just about to launch. We are just a few days far from its official launch. It is actually happening on 24th of March, and we already know what this Redmi K30 Pro will be offering. According to this leaked poster, Redmi K30 Pro will also have dual optical image stabilization mechanism. Yes, Redmi K30 Pro will have dual optical image stabilization, which is absolutely an amazing thing, and this is actually a step forward towards filming with a smartphone. Even it will also offer us a largest sensor, not the largest ever, but largest sensor, because this poster confirms pixel size of 64 megapixel. Sensor will be 1 by 1.7 inches. That is actually insane camera lens in this price tag with 4-in-1 pixel binning technology. Well, some leaked images of camera samples of Redmi K30 Pro and Zoom Edition has been surfaced online, and this guy on Twitter named as Xiaomishka posted samples and every single detail of camera specs and features. First of all, let's take a look at some samples he shared. And looking at this first photo, you can see logo of Redmi K30 Pro Zoom Edition at the bottom left side. It says Zoom, and photo is absolutely clear evidence of details and colors of this 64 megapixel Sony IMX686. In Zoom Edition of Redmi K30 Pro, you can zoom up to 3 times optically while 30 times digitally, and this photo is zoomed in 3 times, and you can see still we have clear details and no distortion in colors. Every detail is same as of first photo, even though blur is still accurate in zoomed photo. And then look at this photo. The top one is basic photo while center one is 3 times optically zoomed in. As I said earlier, it can zoom up to 3 times optically without any loss of quality, so this photo is even better. But then it comes the magic 30 times zoom, because it is a digital zoom, so it cannot offer that much higher resolution photos which we can see in 3 times zoomed photo. But anyways, it is also a good thing that we will have 30 times digital zoom in a device which will be offering us flagship level features like flagship processor Snapdragon 865 and flagship camera, as well as flagship gaming experience and some other specs with cheap price tag, because the expected price for this Redmi K30 Pro is 3000 Chinese yuan. That becomes almost 422 US dollars. So that's a good thing. Thumbs up for this one also. And then some more photos. Have a look at this. It is also 30 times zoomed in, but obviously with low quality. So these were some samples photos. Now let's talk about some insane camera specs. Redmi K30 Pro will have 8K recording option as well. Yes, it will have 8K option with resolution of 7680 by 4320, and this 8K option we also saw in Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and some other flagships like Oppo Find X2 Pro. So from here we can say that it is also a flagship smartphone feature, and he also said it won't carry out your lot of storage, so you don't need to worry about your storage problem. This is the video of showing HDR10 Plus support, because this Redmi K30 Pro will be having the best AMOLED display which will give more realistic viewing experience on Redmi K30 Pro display. But another thing that will make every Redmi fan disappointed, because Redmi K30 Pro is not having higher refresh rate option, as we saw it in lower variant the Redmi K30, that was the basic phone of this series, but now they are ditching it. It is all because they want to make this Redmi K30 Pro cheapest flagship ever. And one last thing that Redmi K30 Pro is including, it is 5 color options to the pop-up camera light. Last year in Redmi K20 Pro we saw just this one blue light option, but this time we would see more. And that's all what Redmi K30 Pro will be offering. And according to Xiaomishka, Redmi K30 Pro Zoom Edition could also equip 108 megapixel sensor, but flagship processor will be same in both devices like Snapdragon 865, that is brand new processor from Snapdragon. That ends up here. If you want to see more about this phone, then subscribe to the channel because I'll be making more videos on it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.